Hi everyone, let me tell you about this awesome little gadget I've been hooked on recently. It's the Ultimate Ears WONDERBOOM 4. The name's cool, right? Picture this. You're chilling by the pool, and it's floating right there, pumping out this epic 360-degree sound that's way bigger than you'd expect from something that fits in your hand. Trust me, the battery life is just ridiculous. 14 hours. I barely charge it. And we're talking waterproof and dustproof, so it practically laughs at the elements. If you're like me and love those impromptu beach parties or shower concerts, check this speaker customer's reviews on Amazon store in the link below and choose the best for you. You'll definitely want this in your life. Ready to step up your sound game? Get yours today and experience the boom.